Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an amazing tutorial for you. This time, we're going to create a 4-in-1 V2Ray server and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. We'll cover 4 different types of V2Ray servers step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, click on the official website link. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon, located at the top corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll see a list of options. From that list, select V2Ray. After clicking, you'll be directed to the next page, where you'll need to choose your desired server location. Once you've selected a location, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Here, enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, and then click Create Now. Within a few seconds, your server will be created, and the full server details will be displayed on the screen. At this stage, you'll notice 4 types of V2Ray servers: V2Ray VMess, V2Ray VLess, V2Ray Trojan, V2Ray Shadowsocks. Choose any one of them based on your preference. Simply click the copy button next to the server details, and the configuration will be copied to your clipboard. We'll now import these server details one by one into the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app. On the home screen, tap the 3-dot menu at the upper right corner to expand the options. Select Config File, then tap Import. Next, choose Clipboard, and your copied server data will be imported instantly. Once the data is successfully added, return to the home screen and tap the Connect button. Within seconds, you'll be connected to the V2Ray VMess server you just imported. If you'd like to add a custom SNI, simply scroll to the last field in your configuration settings and paste your valid SNI there. This method works for all 4 types of V2Ray servers, giving you secure and high-speed internet access. And that's it! You've now learned how to create and set up a 4-in-1 V2Ray server on Dark Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.